Hello, welcome to teacher's class, teacher Jacob. And this is the school, Arajanis School, the countryside, the best way for learning English. And this video is for seventh grade. So this is seven. So we're going to study this. So remember, you need to write the date. Today is June 23rd, 2020, and the class for today is going to be very special because it's about listening skill, okay? You get it? That is listening. So you're going to listen and then you're going to complete the exercise or the exercises one, two, and three, okay? So be careful with the answers, especially listening. Remember, listening is very important and it's very necessary to listen in your house 1 hour. So from Monday to Friday, my suggestion is that you listen 1 or 2 or 3 hours, you know, and then you can understand better English. Remember, if you listen, you can speak. That's basically what you are doing when you listen in English. Okay, so now let's go to the point. Let's go to the class, and let me see if you can do this exercise. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. And this is the class for today. This is the page 79 for grade 7th. And you notice last class we were reading and you have to complete the reading comprehension. So last class we read this, every country in the world. So we read this and you have to complete the exercises in the reading comprehension, exercise one, two, and three. All right, that's what you need to do. Well, four you can do it, but basically there are only three exercises that you need to complete. The class for today is going to be different because it's going to be about listening. So going on vacation. So you're going to listen to a couple asking for information and pick the pictures that show where they are. So you need to know where they are. They are in this living room, or they are in an office, or perhaps they are in the train station. So be careful with this listening. It's not complicated, but you need to pay attention very well. Okay. So first, I'm going to read for you very slow, and then I want to read a little, well, faster than the first time. So I'm gonna read for you 3 times. Listen and answer the question number one. So according to the pictures, you need to tell me if the listening is this picture, this or this. Okay? Imagine picture one, two, or three. So you need to tell me one of them. All right? So let's start with the conversation. This is a conversation between a travel agent and a woman and a man. All right. So let's see. One, two, and three. Hello, please sit down. Woman, thank you. We are looking for a place to go on vacation. Travel agent. What type of place do you want to go to? Man, we want to go somewhere different this year. Woman, yes, a new experience. Travel agent. Have you ever been to Europe? Woman, yes, we have. We visited England, Italy, And John has been to France. Travel agent. And what about India? Have you ever visited India? Man, no, we haven't. Woman, I've eaten an Indian curry, but I never been there. Man, it's a long flight. Dog. Travel agent. Yes, it's 15 hours by plane. Woman, that's a long way. Travel agent. What about Hawaii? Woman, no, no, not Hawaii. I've been there twice. Travel agent. I see. Have you ever visited Brazil? Man, yes, we've been to Brazil. Travel agent. Well, that makes it more difficult. Woman. And what about somewhere closer to home? Man, yes, Florida, for example. I've never been to Florida. Woman, yes. We'd never seen Disney World. Man, it's only 2 hours by bus. Travel agent. Okay, Florida then. Alright. So you listen in and then you tell me where they are. Alright. Let's go one more time, but this is gonna be faster than the first time. All right. So let me see how are you in this listening. So this is a conversation between travel agent and a woman and a man. So travel agent, hello, please sit down. Woman, thank you. We are looking for a place to go on vacation. Travel agent, what type of place do you want to go to? Man, well, we want to go somewhere different this year. Woman, yes, a new experience, travel agent. And have you ever been to Europe? Woman, yes, we have. I visited England, Italy, and then has been in France. Travel agent. What about India? Have you ever visited India? Man, no, we haven't. Woman, I've eaten an India curry, but I never been there. Man, it's a long flight though. Travel agent. Yes, it's 15 hours by plane. Woman, that's a long way. Travel agent. And what about Hawaii? Woman, no, no, no Hawaii. I've been there twice. And travel agent, I see. And have you ever visited Brazil? Man, yes, we've been to Brazil. Travel agent. Well, that makes it more difficult, woman. What about somewhere closer to home? Man, yes, Florida, for example, we never been to Florida. Woman, yes, we never seen Disney World. And man, what is only two, but it's only 2 hours by bus. Travel agent, okay, Florida, then. So this is the second reading or the second listening. So if you notice, what you are really doing in this case, it's like listening and then you tell me which one is this. So I'm gonna help you and perhaps you can understand better this, okay? Let's do it for the last time. Let's go for the last time. So listen carefully and then perhaps you can understand and answer activity one, two, and three. Listen carefully. One, two, three. This is a conversation between travel agent, a woman, and a man. So travel agent, hello, please sit on. Woman, thank you. We're looking for a place to go on vacation and travel again. What type of place do you want to go to? And man, we want to go somewhere different this year. Woman, yes, a new experience. Travel again. Have you ever been to Europe? Woman, yes, we have. I visited England and Italy and just has been in France. Travel again. And what about India? Have you ever visited India? Man, no, we haven't. Woman, I've eaten and eat Indian curry, but I never been there. Man, it's a long flight though. Travel again. Yes, it's 15 hours by plane. Woman, that's a long way. Travel again. And what about Hawaii? Oh no, not Hawaii. I've been there twice. Travel agent. I see. Have you ever visited Brazil? Man, yes, we've been to Brazil. Travel agent. Well, that makes it more difficult. Woman. And what about somewhere closer to home? Man, yeah, you know, Florida, for example. We never been to Florida. Woman, yes, we never seen Disney World. Man, and it's only 2 hours by bus and travel again. Okay, Florida then. All right, so according to this, what you need to complete is this. Definitely, let me help you. Definitely, according to these three pictures, they are in like an office because they are talking about travel agent. It means this is like a traveling agency. So they are. The picture is this, where the woman is sitting next to the woman who's typing and using her computer. So she asking for some vacation, and she is like the travel agent. So she is in charge to know and to sell tickets to go somewhere in her vacation. All right. So number one, according to the picture, so this corresponds to this. It is like an office. Good. So let's go to number two. Listen again and mark the places. M for man, W for woman, B both, or no either, no, not either, according to the places they have visited. So, according to this, England, they are in England. I mean, they visited England, yes or not? So you need to write M, woman, W, both. I mean, when it's man and woman, or no, either. Not yet, not yet. Either or neither is not yet. So they never visit or they never stay there. So what do you think? So number one, have they been in England? So England. So you need to answer this, okay? According to this. So let me see. Number two. So it's gonna be you're gonna write here W. W because it's the woman who had been in England and also in Italy. And her husband went to France. Okay. So let's go. Continue with the other. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. And let's go. Continue. Brazil. What do you think about Brazil? So you need to listen again and complete. So Brazil. So they been in Brazil, yes or not? So listen, dear gents. Have you ever visited Brazil? Yes, we've been to Brazil. So in this case, you're gonna write letter B. Okay? B here. And France. So France is M, the man. And finally, India. Have they ever been in India? So you need to listen again and answer. So I'm going to give you this D you need to complete. Don't forget you need to write the answers on your book, or even you can write on your notebook. And later, I'm going to take some photos. You have to take some photos and send me the evidence. Now, no evidence at the moment, but you need to complete. I help you. Okay, bye bye. See you. Take care. See you next class. I hope to.